To all the villages, to all of friends who are listening in from overseas. Kita kan sila bikin ini nonton ngamun baru taki. Na ouch palangi show.
Right.
And mataka benang diko. Ada benang dem, ada benang Eleanor.
Yeah, Rebecca, good evenings, everyone tuning in this fine morning. Yes.
Do you have a nickname when you are still young?
My name
Cockroach.
Cockroach nandang bukan nandang kita. My name most of all if somebody call me Nde, that's from Moinun.
Oh.
Oi.
Nde. When I heard that
So
they
you-
call me Nde or Demo.
Oh,
Demolition Man.
Demolition Man ito ko. Yeah, Demo. They used to call me the boys, the squad from the village.
Yeah.
Demo or Nde.
Correct. Eleanor, you
Or
have
Dems.
a nickname?
No. Yes. I have a name.
Yeah.
That
No
people
still.
call me. Not still like them. My master,
Yeah.
Master Madhurika,
Yeah.
used to call me endangered species.
Boo.
Kada malam balo kayo mo ni boleh pati kanila
He said because I'm the only girl in the class who likes to fight, argue with the boys.
Oi.
That's why he
Endangered.
calls me endangered species.
Oh,
Wana
isa
na,
raw
wana na,
tamo ni
okay.
sa maindingin-dingin na luman.
Okay, benar-benar besar we toka di rumah tadi ko we say and to all the taxi drivers tuning this morning, to all the passengers, bus drivers and all the passengers who are on the road going to work. We say and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Right.
To all our friends, LM75, Karua TJ, and the passengers between the corridor.
Right.
Benar-benar besar we toka to all the drivers and the loading boys from the Rukuni Buni Pai Lebu Maimba.
Oh.
Ba lautokan ba.
Right.
And mataka di pakatan
Pita Masilada from Lambasa. Good morning to you and also to LM69 Northern Ausori.
Oh.
Wais Tonga Nibalu and the family of the van.
Live,
Yeah.
lian ni brass band ni Nambala,
Yeah.
les tu kumain na ORC parade na DPC North.
Right.
Jadi kung may Lambasa, les suki Nambala. Michael Kupa,
Nambala, Nambala.
Pamibital nga ba ni tone driver PC may Nambaumbau.
Yeah.
Alright. Ando mulai binaka to yan binaka.
Yeah.
Bitag ni Maro tagi tuna bito kanya na mata.
And the family of the joining.
Okay.
Okay, benar kami na matakan our short video this morning, Demesi and Eleanor.
Yes.
Will be about women.
All right.
The 10 types of women.
Yes.
The 10 types of women who get old very quickly.
Oh.
Eh?
Ha.
Only
Okay,
women.
their life is a mystery. Pag kita the kilira sa pabinaka, medan daw study tekira.
Right.
Today, we'll know the 10 types of women who get old very quickly. Okay. Gaya mga tatang ng Demesi, women who never exercise, they get old very quickly.
Gor resindo ba ko
English kere.
the people who does not satisfy their health.
Oh.
Right.
You are the one that not exercise in everyday life.
Right.
Right.
In
Yeah.
a proper exercise.
Okay.
Eh?
Yeah.
This one will get old easily because of the fatness in their
Oh,
body that
okay.
contribute to their face look. Nakararay.
Why are you only targeting women?
Mo sa selangin damu-damu.
Yeah.
Tamay nanda yan rabina kayan round doyan rabina kamay nandi.
Right, okay.
Doyan rabina kan doyan.
Okay, the second woman go.
Yes.
Women who always worry,
Go.
they get old very quickly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because of the men.
Right. My
They worry because they in the
situation.
situation of brain.
Right.
Brain.
Yeah.
This is if you cure the brain. If you cure the brain, you can grow
Old.
old. Korning bulan balabu. Because everything is in the brain.
Yeah.
It's a concept.
Grow longer or grow old? Grow longer.
Iya, bulan balabu.
Iya.
Yeah.
Onang bulan balabu tu kan lengkas sih.
Yeah.
Lengkas itu om balabu tu.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Carry on.
Because everything is in the mind. If
Yeah.
you think too much, you'll cause you old faster.
Right. Okay. Third one. Women who get angry at everything.
This is the reason why women
Yeah.
sometimes or us men passed away easily
Yes.
because of the anger.
Yeah.
Anger is a killer of healthiness.
Right.
Right.
Kaya daw dunur-dunur magalebu, it will show up in the outside.
Right.
Outside is an undercover of what inside.
Yeah.
If the concept of happiness in inside, it
Yeah.
will be look outside.
Shown outside.
Just
Yes.
like this.
Luka.
Just like this.
Yes.
If you see a plant with a poor
Zero.
drainage,
Right.
eh?
Yeah.
Poor drainage, too much water down there.
Yeah.
So he will pale
Oh.
in leaves.
Right.
Right.
He will be yellowish
Yeah.
in color.
Right.
He will not grow properly.
Right.
know.
Plenty water.
Plenty water down there.
So
Yeah.
if less
Coordinates.
water,
Yeah.
Less water, you will see. Not less water.
yes, but that doesn't only happens to the women. It also happens
If
to
less
the
water
men.
or more water. Again will be lie.
Okay. Women who drink too little water
Too little water because
get old very quickly.
drink a lot of water.
Yeah. To all the
Old
mamas
men.
tuning
If
this
mama,
morning, watching this video.
Aware to wait my grace
Yeah.
from Nandongo or from Moisabulu. Tamay
Yeah.
grace,
Yeah.
and tinay grace.
Yeah.
Kudu mo tiyo kasi.
Yeah.
If you want to grow longer,
Yeah.
water contribute to our life factors.
Right.
Yeah.
If you drink less water, your skin color
Yeah.
will be changed.
Oh,
Yeah.
to purple.
No, it will be changed. You'll be like a cabeza.
Women who sleep too little and stay up late, they will get old quickly.
Yes.
That's the truth.
Yeah.
If you think you are strong than the night,
Yeah.
I tell you now,
Yeah.
the night is stronger than you.
Don't
Yes,
go
you
back.
know why women sleep less?
Yeah.
Because of the men. They not
Men come back from
they are not
groggy.
contributing to the
Wake up
house
the mommy
work.
mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the night.
Magkatagata,
Yeah.
yes. Magkatagata my food.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
see? Iron my clothes for tomorrow.
Yeah. That's why they grow old.
What time you are talking about?
3 a.m.
Kambu.
Women who eat too much junk food.
Yeah, too much junk food you eat
Oh.
will cause you to decay.
Right.
Because, and also it contribute to the, eat a lot of leaves.
Right.
Eat a lot of mbele, the roro.
But they don't want to
mola.
eat.
Huh?
They don't want to eat the leafy.
Passed away is arrived.
Okay, Ntotongo.
Mai.
Women who smoke or drink excessively.
Huh?
Women who smoke and drink excessively.
Yeah, will cause you unhealthiness, because
Yes.
it's kill your internal organ.
Women who never protect their skin from the sun.
There, another one is there. Sun 2 is very good.
Grow old quickly, yeah?
Yeah. Sun 2 is very good. Sometimes too much sun can cause you to.
Yeah.
Women who live with constant negativity.
Come?
Women,
Constant negativity.
yeah, with who live with constant negativity.
Yeah, that one too will cause you less life in the world.
Women who never take time to relax and distress.
Many things we learn men from this.
Ah,
If you want our wife, our women to grow older, grow good,
Yeah.
grow healthy,
Yeah.
we have to make them happy all the time.
right,
Right.
yes.
Yes.
So men will have to exercise the women.
Exercise. You do it as a family.
Right.
Yeah.
Eh?
What else? What else? Help the woman
Yeah.
with chores, household chores. What else?
Sa nitiri ni
Give the money. Give the money.
Sorry sir,
Yes.
miteri ni ba na ilabo?
Give the money so
Junk food is
so that
there.
we can be happy. When we are happy,
Yeah.
then
So
Everything
you
is
women,
longer.
you only can happy with money?
Not only money, you have to keep us happy. Yes, money, yes. Yes, because you want to buy this, you
Are
want to
you
buy
go
that.
outside? Kaya mo ko sa marot ko ba na ilabo? Kaya duwala ko may tumuko silang na ilabo. Oh. Kabubalen ko sa nakarus.
Ilabol Sara.
Hanggang di na kina.
Because look,
Sana-
the conclusion to
Yeah.
this conversation.
Yeah.
Men are the biggest factor. You are the main factor for women
The message.
growing old.
Then
eh?
Messi, if you want the ladies to grow like into old age, Sarah,
Iya.
every day give mommy 1 jilo.
1 kilo metin na may mas. Lalamba kasi lang talang dinaw. Hanggang hindi na kinasirin ko ni Koli Koro bula-bula. Ulala. May settle may Amerika may selo sinaitenge bulare. Rachel Kristen from California.
You have to all those tuning in this morning, watching
Yes.
the short video. Eso nga naka, may kito video sa kina. May kami na marama. Kaya ko ni siya ni exercise. Roni pa kabuda bikim ni nang gas totol. Kira-kira ni tumbale sosa libu-libu cuma sosa bakal cuy sosa bakal bimbi. Kira-kira tumbale na biya kabi sirek cuna buli. Ni semper ni suka mota tar ni tumbale kabitina ni sirek cuna buli. Gelis mota sa ka to tu na bika to do baru tu ba kabi. Iksali sumena num tumbale pa bunuh-bunuh ngoni sala. Kaya baka
Nana
suka
nutele
bele mota.
untong bula benaka.
Oh, ya ada benak.
Moi lala selau miri uliwiti mai nananu. Queensland mai bunin rala. Australia nemani kumbu. John Kumar tamai Grace. Ngona bu leds muala lau. Tebi tawang ketambu kiri simbola. Leone utundi besi from rabi-rabi tokai malorai Andra. Seattle selo sinai tenge.
Oh, Bianra do.
Rachel Kings France. California, John Kumar,
Cina.
Lomex Sengati.
Iya,
yan benak.
There is got one special kind of terrain. Kona lili. Melili juga ko canggih santai ni mong kamu juga.
Kanggur korang gitu nang bondo menakor. Wa mimi ni rang alakoy nang ngoni law bulangi. Silpota, ngoni buli ngoni secondary school ngoni sa bibuli. Tahu tak fun to double, triple, fourple, fipple.